it is Teresa here. We are organizing fabric this week. So I have quite a bit right here. We just pulled out a lot of my fabric and realized, holy cannoli, I have a lot. There's fabric folded in here. I have fabric up there, in there. Does that focus? Over here, because I'm trying to get it all out and put away before my daughter gets home. I have fabric in there, in there, in there. Those two things in here. And all but two drawers have fabric in it. And there's still some up there. So I will show you how I organize stuff. Oh wait, I forgot. That's filled with fabric too. And I have too much fabric. Okay, so we are now at day 2, and I have these. I bought these yesterday at Target. Such an awesome deal. And I have these color-coded, my fabric all color-coded. And then this is filled with like stretchy fabric, canvas fabric, flannel. That's all backing. This one is all unfinished projects. And let's see. We got a lot there that needs to be folded and organized and set up in things, which I'll do later after we get everything. We got that completely cleared. And so those tubs that have all specifically fabric like this, they're going to be stacked right in here. And I can fit 4 up and 3 across. So that's where that is gonna go. And then I have like, this one is filled with like strip fabric that is just like little odds and ends. And then I'll have another one right there that is just like bigger pieces that are just random colors. And then I was going to do another one with like, if they have something on it, like a flower or an animal or whatever. I have fabric right down here, but I need to get this cleared off because I want this with fabric too. I have so much, and I need to make sure I have enough space, you know. And the other day I got this organized. All of these books are going to get moved, and I'll show you where I'm going to move them to. And in those slots are going to be more fabric. There's no more fabric in this dresser. So what I'm going to use for this dresser is like extra ribbon, extra needles, extra, different things like that. So it's coming along. A lot of this was done in day 1. My son is really good at getting ironed, and as you can tell, my homemade ironing board is warped, so I'm gonna have to figure out a different way to do that. And of course, because I'm trying to get all of my fabric in order, my whole section over here is back to chaos. But with that said, there are boxes I need to go through, but most of all of this is organized. I just have a little bit more to do, and then I'll do a what's in the cubbies. So yeah, I'm like excited. I'm hoping it will come out the way I want it. So yeah, I will keep you posted. Hello, this is the last for this video of the cleaning update. So I'll give you pictures of before at the end. So we got all that organized. The stuff that's on my desk is basically fabric that needs to be put away, the leftover fabric, and little odds and ends and plastic containers and stuff. And Leia. Huh, Leia? Dirty look. And then this whole area is cleaned. I moved all of my books over there. These are all empty and will be filled with my extra stuff, like extra pins, extra, envelopes, different things like that. And I put lots of fabric in there, and there's empty containers. And then this is all envelopes with my bucket of, what is that called? Wallpaper. That bottom box is unfinished quilt projects. This next one, once it gets empty, which is mainly filled of empty containers with a little bit of lace, that one will then be unfinished craft box, because we have to have both. Excuse me. So I bought these containers, which I'm really loving. I still have 2 empty here. These are for my purse making. This is just strip. And this is, so we have 1, 2, 3 filled with fabric scraps. This one is filled with all of my panels. There's just one more that needs to go in there. And then this totally changed is my under a yard, like a little over half a yard, and it will be, what's it called? Fat quarters. So I have everything in this one is all for a specific quilt, turtles. This is all Harry Potter. These 2 are Disney. Yeah, I have that much Disney scraps. These are all green, these flowers. This is white and black. Then I have a red one. This one's for all batiks. This one has yellow and orange colors. Then up there I have a purple, a blue, I don't know what else, a pink one. And then this is where the fun comes, because in the process of all of that, this is my journal cart, which I showed you guys before. We'll go over it in a finer detail later. All of my bolts of fabric finished folded, and a lot of them need to still be put up. I still have down here to do. This desk is trashed. A lot of my paper craft stuff that was scattered everywhere got put in this corner on top of my batting, and my, this has a lot of my, what's it called? Oh gosh, sorry. I'll think of it eventually. My brain is fried. I'm actually surprised I'm talking as well as I am. My fibro has flared immensely. Fusible interfacing for my purses. All of this is, yeah, this whole area was clean, believe it or not, and now it is all paper craft stuff that needs to be gone through again and organized, like put in where it needs to go. Like it has places, I just need to put it where it goes. Which now I have places where I can put it because everything is clean. So yeah, that's about where this is at. It is done for a while. I got my goal, got most of everything set up the way I wanted it for when the kids come. The girl comes home next week from college. So I'm actually good at the moment. thank goodness. I am taking a well-needed rest, and I'm going to post this before I post the other ones of me doing a lot of the other stuff, organizing and stuff. But yeah, my son and his friends really rocked it and helped me a lot. And I am so grateful for their help. And I am in a lot of pain now. And I rested enough that I can actually speak straight, which is huge. There's a lot of fabric bolts in there. And this amount, so this will be filled with fabric bolts because I just have that many. It's kind of insane. So anyways, thank you. Oh, my last trolley. See, my brain's not even functioning everything. I put a trolley by my chair, and it has like unfinished projects that I can work on, cutting that I can work on, my pain pills, water, all that kind of fun stuff I can put in there. So it's all in one place, and I don't lose it in the abyss of the side of my chair. So yeah, we are now done. Thank you. And look out for the other episodes that I filmed before this one. I'm not editing this one. I'm just going to post the days. So yeah, thanks. You guys are wonderful. Bye.